Top 10 Sociology Concepts by Muhliq M. My first concept is functionalism, a theoretical perspective that interprets each part of society and how it stabilizes society in general. An example of this is people go to school to get an education, to get jobs to support the economy. My second concept is positivism. Positivism is defined as a system of thought that regards scientific observation to be the highest form of knowledge. An example of this is Morgan State University was founded in 1867 by the Baltimore Conference of the Methodist Episcopal Church. This statement is based solely on facts and can be backed up by research. My third concept is generalization. When you apply a small amount of information you have on a small amount of units, in most cases people, to a larger population of the units. An example of this is saying that all black people like fried chicken and eat watermelon. My next concept is age cohort. It is defined as an aggregate group of people born during the same time period. My example of this was the baby boomers who were born in 1946 to 1964. My next concept is ageism. It is the practice of discrimination and prejudice due to age. An example of this is a person not given a job interview because they don't believe the applicant is old enough or young enough. Deviance. Deviance is defined as the behavior that challenges or violates social norms and rules. An example is a person who steals the neighborhood children's bikes will be considered deviant to society. Hate crime. A hate crime is an assault or other malicious act motivated by certain biases such as religion, sexual orientation, race, or a disability. An example of this is white supremacists burning crosses on black families' yards. The assimilation theory, the process in which a smaller society becomes absorbed into a larger society. An example of this is black people not being able to wear natural hairstyles in the workplace or in some education facilities. Ethnocentrism, the belief that the ideas, norms, and traditions of one's own culture is superior to other cultural beliefs. An example of this is people from the US ignoring or frowning upon different cultures, values, and beliefs from other countries. My final concept is gender, the socially learned expectations and behaviors associated with both the male and female sexes. My example was that heels are mainly more of a women's shoe rather than a men's shoe.